some of the emails you receive land in your spam or junk folder. But how does the system know which email to send to the spam inbox? When you type a message on your phone, it automatically suggests what should be the next word. You will be astonished to hear that all this modern tech is driven by the works of 18th century mathematician Thomas Bayes and his path-breaking Bayes Theorem. It is one of the most powerful rules of probability and statistics. It describes the probability of an event based on prior knowledge of conditions that might be related to the event.
Let's understand it.
What is the probability that you're watching this video on your phone? Well, Bayes' theorem tells us that there is a very high probability of this condition. Okay? Coming back to the spam folder example, in the year 1998, Microsoft introduced a system called Bayesian filter to detect junk email. It makes the judgment according to the contents and the subject of the email received by a user. The system was first set up by a list of potential words usually used by junk email, like deals, secret, and free. It was further updated by a user's report of spam mail. The modern age machine learning has got to thank Mr. Thomas Bayes for laying the foundation. Conditional probabilities are a must in determining accurate predictions and probabilities in machine learning. Take a pause and, in the comment box, write about conditions where you could apply Bayes' theorem in day-to-day life. Did you know that a group of data enthusiasts found SS Central America, known as Ship of Gold, in 1988 with the help of Bayesian theorem? It was carrying nearly 10 tons of gold when it sank. The wreckage was found after 131 years. The next time you forget your phone at home, try and apply Bayes' theorem to find which room it could be in. But for that, you need to learn the theorem in detail and all the applications on Embibe.com or download the Embibe app now.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.